Parabens, an endocrine disruptor. Parabens are a class of chemicals that are used as preservatives in the cosmetic and pharmaceutical industries to prevent bacteria and fungus from growing in various products. They are found in a range of beauty products including shampoos, shaving creams, cleansing gels, personal lubricants, and toothpaste. In this case, parabens act like estrogen, a messenger hormone that is secreted by the ovaries and plays a major part in the regulation of menstruation, fertility, pregnancy, and fat cell activity. Due to its estrogenic nature, parabens alter the level of estrogen in your body. This offsets homeostasis as the balance of the hormone in the body has changed. Other hormone levels may increase or decrease due to this, and some biological processes may be altered. They are linked to endocrine disruption, reproductive toxicity, neurotoxicity, and skin irritation. They have also been linked to breast cancer. There are many types of parabens, including methylparaben, ethylparaben, propylparaben, and butylparaben. These chemicals are esters of para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Esters are defined as chemical compounds in which an acid molecule has bonded with an alcohol molecule, displacing a water molecule. The term paraben is an abbreviation for para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Each paraben ester has a different solubility and spectrum of antimicrobial activity. The greater the paraben's lipid solubility, the greater the penetration through the skin. In the United States, the average total paraben exposure per individual is estimated to be approximately 76 milligrams per day. Cosmetics and personal products provide the bulk of exposure at 50 milligrams per day, drugs at 25 milligrams per day, and food accounts for approximately 1 milligram per day. In 1998, British researchers at Brunel University discovered that parabens mimic the female hormone estrogen. Since then, Danish scientists have found that the estrogenic properties of propylparabens and butylparabens are just as potent as bisphenol A, a hormone-disrupting petrochemical used to make plastics. And high paraben concentrations in males can lead to more body fat, lower muscle mass, and the development of breasts. More recently, Japanese research linked the estrogenic activity of parabens to male reproductive system damage, including low sperm counts and decreased testosterone levels. In one study, benzylparaben applied to the skin of immature female mice increased the size of their uterus, a result similar to that caused by pure estrogen. The researchers who conducted this study speculate that parabens could have the same effect in people. Since parabens have routinely been included in toiletries designed for babies and children, this could impact a girl's reproductive health in her later years. Parabens have also been suspected to be a factor in the increasing prevalence of early puberty in girls. Research has also been conducted on whether or not antiperspirants and deodorants are linked to breast cancer. A focus of this research is parabens. The belief that parabens build up in breast tissue was supported by a 2004 study in which found parabens in 18 of 20 samples of tissue from human breast tumors. Philippa Darbra, a senior lecturer in oncology and researcher in biomolecular sciences at the University of Reading in England, published this study. According to her, it is a known fact that estrogen exposure is linked to breast cancer development and progression, and she says it is not such a leap to be concerned that repeated cumulative long-term exposure to chemicals that mimic estrogen might have an impact. Parabens can also make your skin look older, diminishing skin tone and accelerating the formation of wrinkles and age spots. Researchers from Kyoto Prefectural University of Medicine in Japan discovered this when they applied methylparabens to skin in amounts similar to what you would find in cosmetics. When the skin was then exposed to ultraviolet light, 19% of the cells died compared to just 6% in untreated skin. The level of lipid peroxide, a substance that speeds up the aging process, was also 3 times higher in the paraben-treated skin. Parabens can be found in personal care products, pharmaceutical products, and many foods. Here are just a few examples of items that have parabens I found in my own home. There are also alternatives to using paraben products. There are many companies nowadays that are cutting parabens out of their products. So some various companies that sell paraben-free products are Bare Essentials, Avon, EOS, Garnier Fructis, Dove, Burt's Bees, and Pro Naturals.